There are so many questions that somebody might have when they first get interested in trading in the stock market. And I thought to myself, who better to answer these questions than a soulless robot? So in today's video, I'm going to be asking ChatGPT some of the questions that I get all the time and some questions that I think just might be fun as it is in related to trading in the stock market specifically. So we're going to break that down in this video today, see what ChatGPT has to say. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you're new here, my name is Justin. I do a lot of videos related to stock market content. Most of it is live day trading videos where you're going to see me day trade real money live every single day. So if you are interested in that kind of content, make sure you hit like and subscribe. Let's see what the robot has to say. Okay, so I think first question that I will give ChatGPT is, how hard is it to make money in the stock market? One of the most common questions that I get on the channel. Let's see what it has to say.
Making money in the stock market can be challenging, as it involves predicting future performance of companies and the overall market. It requires research, knowledge, and experience to make informed decisions, and even then there is no guarantee of success.
True.
It's also important to consider the potential risks and volatility of the market when investing. With that said, many people are able to make money in the stock market over the long term by diversifying their portfolio and taking a disciplined approach to investing.
Disciplined? We like to YOLO around here. Let's try a different question. How about let's go with, what is the best day trading strategy? See what ChatGPT has to say.
There are many different day trading strategies, and what works best will depend on an individual's goals, risk tolerance, and market knowledge.
I say that all the time. Most important or best strategy out there is the one that works for you.
Some popular strategies include scalping. This strategy involves buying and selling stocks quickly, typically holding positions for only a few minutes to a few hours. Scalpers aim to make small profits on many trades, rather than waiting for a big gain on one trade.
You could get a big gain on a scalp
trade.
Trend
following. This strategy involves identifying the overall direction of the market and buying stocks that are likely to increase in value. Traders will typically use technical analysis to identify trends and make decisions. Breakout trading. This strategy involves identifying key levels of support and resistance, and buying or selling when the price breaks through these levels.
Wrong.
Mean reversion. This strategy involves buying stocks that are undervalued and selling those that are overvalued, based on the assumption that prices will eventually return to their historical averages.
But main premise behind
Ultimately, it's important to find a strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals, and to continually monitor and adjust your approach as needed.
That's true, the market changes all the time.
It's also important to keep in mind that day trading can be risky, and you should always do your own research and due diligence before making any trades.
What? You shouldn't just blindly follow a guru on Twitter or YouTube? What is the best stock to buy right now? See what he got.
I'm a language model AI, and I don't have the capability to predict the future performance of any stock.
That was the whole purpose of signing up for this.
The best stock to buy will depend on an individual's financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment strategy. It's important to conduct thorough research and due diligence before making any investment decisions.
Don't just buy GME when
you should consider factors such as the company's financials, industry trends, and management team, as well as broader economic and market conditions. It's also important to diversify your portfolio and not to put all your eggs in one basket. It's always recommended to consult with a financial advisor or professional before making any investment decisions.
Advisor or professional, not Twitter or Reddit. Can you make money counter trend trading in the stock market?
Counter-trend trading is a strategy that involves taking positions that are opposite to the current trend of the market.
Wow, great job, ChatGPT.
The idea is that by going against the trend, you may be able to make profits when the trend eventually reverses. However, it's important to note that counter-trend trading can be a challenging and risky strategy. Because you are betting against the current trend, your trades may be more likely to lose money if the trend continues.
course.
Additionally, it can be difficult to accurately predict when a trend will reverse.
Unless you have an amazing
Traders
scanner
who use
with a link
counter-trend
down
trading
below for
strategy
20-30% off
often use
lifetime
technical
with code
analysis and
GDTISW
indicators
that gives
to
you
identify
the
potential
best
turning points in the
possible
market.
plays out there in real time.
They also typically have a strict risk management plan in place to limit potential losses. However, it's important to keep in mind that no strategy can guarantee profits, and even the most experienced traders can make mistakes.
No.
It's always recommended to consult with a financial advisor or professional before making any investment decisions.
Yeah. Get all your eggs in one basket. You sound like a guru, ChatGPT. Just give me the answers I want. Is warrior trading a fraud?
I cannot provide an opinion on whether warrior trading is a fraud, as I am an AI language model and do not have the ability to evaluate the credibility of individuals or organizations. It's always a good idea to thoroughly research any investment opportunity and consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions. It's always important to do your own research and due diligence before investing in anything.
So you didn't say no, and you didn't say yes. So the answer must be yes. Who is Garage Day Trader? This will be interesting.
I'm not familiar with an individual or organization called Garage Day Trader.
You too.
It is possible that it is a nickname or moniker used by a day trader who operates out of a home office or garage, but without more context it's hard to say. If it is an individual trader, it's important to do your own research and due diligence before following their trades or taking any investment advice
shut your mouth. And finally, why do 90% of day traders fail?
There are several reasons why many day traders fail to make consistent profits. Some of the most common reasons include lack of discipline. Many traders lack the discipline to stick to their trading plan and make impulsive decisions based on emotions. Lack of education. Many traders jump into the market without proper education and understanding of the strategies and tools that are needed to be successful. Overtrading. Many traders engage in too many trades, which can quickly deplete their trading capital. Underestimating risk. Many traders fail to properly manage their risk, which can lead to significant losses. Overestimating the ease of making money. Many traders believe that day trading is an easy way to make money, which can lead to unrealistic expectations and disappointment. Insufficient capital. Many traders start with insufficient capital, which makes it hard to sustain the inevitable losing streaks and make profits over the long run. It's important to keep in mind that day trading is a high-risk, high-reward activity, and it requires a lot of dedication, discipline, and education to be successful.
So there you have it. That is what a robot on the internet with no soul thinks about some of the most common trading questions out there in the internet today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you like these type of videos and you want to see more, let me know down in the comments below, as I am not here trading this week. But the robot has spoken. Ross Cameron, definitely fraud. Or not.